Assalamu alaikum. I am Jawad Ahmad, and today we are present in our next class on economics, in which we are going to study what are the different topics that we are going to cover in our future classes. So it will be flexible for you to understand and plan your activities accordingly. So before I can start this class, kindly subscribe my channel so you can get all my videos on a timely basis. Let's start. Firstly, we are going to cover the fundamental or basic economic concept that each student should know before start studying economics, in which we have already covered 22 topics. And then, firstly, we will cover the rest of them one. Then we will move towards microeconomics, in which we are going to study what are the basic problems that a single individual customer have to face while planning its resources and addressing its wants. The first topic we will cover in this microeconomic session will be demand, supply, and market equilibrium. Then move towards elasticity of demand and supply, then consumer equilibrium, then revenue, cost, and farm equilibrium, and what are the different types of farms that are present in our economic system and their importance with their different types. After that, we will start our microeconomic level, in which firstly we will cover what is macroeconomics, what are the topics that are having a significant importance in this sector. Then we will calculate national income in real terms as well as nominal terms. Analysis of consumption and investment expenditure will be made. Multiplier and accelerator effect will be studied theoretically and practically. Then we will study what is inflation and unemployment and how they can affect a business cycle of an economy and why are they are so much important in our economic system. Then at the end we will study what are the different type of money and why money is important to play a vital role in our economy. Then we will start banking and finance sector, in which firstly we are going to study what are banks and their functions. Then we will move towards financial market and their roles and the instruments involved currently in the market and their scope and their importance. Then we will move toward the public finance sector. The government income and expenditure will be studied in this sector. What are the fiscal budget and taxation effect on the government planning and scheduling of activities. And at the end, we are going to cover international markets, balance of payments, and exchange rates. So it will be a healthy session. So remain stick to me. So we can cover all these topics at a very definite rate so you can understand each and every concept and share your queries in the comment section so we can answer them on a timely basis. Let's meet in the next class with the first chapter, that is fundamental of economic concepts.